Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another session. We're gonna start with MACD indicator for 30 seconds and $5. Let's go straight away to this session, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And the description of this video, in the description to this video you can find all the useful information, the links to the website. It's called Quotex, as well as the Telegram group where you can find a lot of information regarding the indicators and how they work. So let's go guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, also you can use the promo code in the description to this video. Is my personal promo code that you can use for your deposit and enjoy the bonus on Quotex. So let's go guys. Okay, today, as I said, it's gonna be $5 and a quick trading of 30 seconds. We're gonna go we're gonna head to right. So this currency is fine. I'm just gonna start straight away with the call option here. It's a bit tricky here, but 30 seconds is enough time for a sneaky call option here. So let's wait. Here we have the first profit is $9.35. So the next is gonna be, actually this is a good opportunity here, but I don't like to stay on the same currency, so I might have to switch. So here we're gonna read the indicators, and yeah, we're gonna go with the call option here, $9, 30 seconds, and let's wait for the result. Here we have the next profit, $16.83. So guys, now I'm gonna use the entirety, the $17. I'm gonna go to this currency, and the next option is going to be, this looks like a for 30 seconds I'd go with the put option. So let's go. $32, 13 cents, almost $33 already on our balance. It's only been under like 3 minutes. So right, so next is gonna be $32 for the next option. Let's head to the next currency, and this option is going to be, we see the downtrend in price here, so the price is going down. Should we go with the put option here? 30 seconds, yes. Okay, let's wait. Here we have $59.84. The next stop is gonna be on $60. Well, not the stop, like the option, $60, and the currency is going to be the next currency. So $60 here, and then this currency. And the indication is showing the uprise, so this could actually, we see the pattern, so we're gonna go with I'm gonna wait just a tiny bit, and let's go with this put option here for $60. Yeah, this is a pattern here guys, that if you're unfamiliar, this one is a head and shoulders pattern. I mean, maybe at some point we're gonna make some patterns reviews, but yeah, so this is like the head and shoulders. So if you see that inverted down, so the price would go down here. And here we have the profit, $112.20. It's a nice profit already. I mean, we started with $5, it's already 111, 112, I mean. And oh, here we have a nice, so let's go with the put option here. See it, this crossing of the green line to the orange line is the indication that the price would go down. So let's wait. Here we have nice profit, $211.68. We're gonna go with $212 now. for the next option, this was a clear indication, very easy. Like if you understand how it all works, and then it's easy for you to read those. And okay, so we see like here the alligator is showing us the the price is going down, as well as the MACD. So we're gonna go with the put option here for 30 seconds and $212. Just about. Here. Okay, let's wait. Here we have a nice profit already, guys. $396 just from that 212 and 30 seconds time, guys. This is amazing because, but see, for the strategy you're using the entirety of your balance. So now we're gonna end up using a whole balance again, which is obviously a risk, but if you know what you're doing with the indicators and a bit of luck, it's gonna be fine. So let's check this out here. Okay, so here I'm gonna go with this is our head and shoulders pattern actually. So it started going down, it's gonna go up now. So looking at the head and shoulders, so we made a call option here for 30 seconds. So let's see. Ooh, we just had this came back to us. See what I mean about luck? I mean, we had a pretty good shot there. I'm gonna repeat that now, the call option here with the same amount, but the timing was not, it was very short time, so 30 seconds, and maybe we should have used a minute here, but we were so lucky that we got our $396 back. So this is like big help. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Here we have $740, guys, 52 cents, and this is I mean, for the time that we've been in, under 10 minutes, $740. We started with $5, so this gotta be pretty cool. So let's go with 740 now for the next option, and our payout is gonna be 1,383, so 87% on this currency particularly. So maybe we do that. This looks like the price is going up, but for 30 seconds I could go with this option here, this currency here. Okay, so this is the price going down here, so we're gonna, oh actually it's going up, so we're gonna go with the call option. It starts going up, so let's see, 30 seconds. $1,398, guys. This gotta be pretty cool. So now we have the ability to, not the ability, but the possibility to make the maximum investment for the option, which is $1,000 is the maximum, and we're gonna go with that. So until we get more than 2,000, so we can make multiple ones. This is because, as I said, you gotta use the entirety. Actually, what if I'm gonna make multiple ones, but with this? So 1, 2, there, 699 each. Okay, let's have a look. This is a clear indication for us for the call option here, by the way. Oh, this was pretty good because, wow, lucky as well, guys. Just as you can see, it's pretty volatile, but we made our 1,300 each, so that's double, and the total of our balance now is 2,615. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna switch to 1,000 and go to another currency. This is looking pretty good. It's going up, so let's do a couple of the call options here. For the 30 30 seconds and $1,000. Call option 1, 2. Let's wait. Okay, so $1,890 we have here each. So the total here is $4,395. So we get pretty high number of the balance now, comparing we started with $5. Let's go to this currency and we're gonna make another multiple options here. The price is going up, so we're gonna go with call options, I mean. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is gonna be the each payout $1,870, 87%. So the total would be $7,480. So let's check it out. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We had 4, went out really well, and this is the profit, guys. So we made from $5 $7,875 in total, and we're gonna stop here today, guys. This was a rather quick session with quick 30 seconds, so I'll see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the description to this video. Don't forget about it. There's a lot of useful information. I'll see you all next time. Good luck and ciao.